So in 2020, it's going to be a lot of stuff that's happening as far as social media marketing, a lot of changes. Things like TikTok and Triller are both becoming almost a staple in social media marketing when it comes to Generation Z. So if you are looking to market towards a younger audience and build a following on Triller, this is a video for you. Stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you a specific trick that I've learned to help me funnel my followers from Triller to Instagram in order for growth on Instagram in 2020. So this is a double video. Ladies and gentlemen, stick around. Alright, welcome back to another edition of Chopping It Up with Focuz. I am him and he is me. This episode is brought to you by Real Niggas Incorporated. Ain't no incorporation. We are just real niggas. Now, I just want to let you guys in on what I'm talking about today one more time, and that is Triller growth. Everybody needs to grow on this new platform. One of the reasons why I chose Triller is the simple fact that it's on an upward trajectory. Right now, there is a lot of growth going on, a lot of organic growth that you can do simple and easily, in this very simple and direct way. I'm going to tell you how to do all of that. So here it is. So the first thing that you need to do is find a niche topic that you like to talk about. Now, it can be anything from anime to fitness, but become an expert. And then once you become an expert, it'll be a reason for people to come to your page outside of your music. And now this is kind of content building 101, just a few ways for you to get some ideas on some content that you can start putting out. Just things that you like your hobbies, just taking them to the next level and teaching other people about them. It makes you more interesting and a lot more three-dimensional, instead of this character that you portray in your music alone. So that is the first thing. Now, the second thing is to make sure your biography on these pages also reflects what you're going to be posting about. Now, it's just as simple as the thing on the screen when you're watching TV and it tells you what the station is and what the show is about. It's just that simple. People like to come to pages where they know, in the bio, I'll have funny memes. In my bio, I pretty much have that I do this kind of content. And so it's not misleading at all. It lets you straight to the point, lets you know exactly what you're in for. And that is just two simple things that you can do really easy. Another thing, if you haven't seen the previous videos, I can kind of sum it up for you. I also have getting to your first 100 followers video. You can check that out if you haven't seen it already. But another thing that you can do is simply go ahead and follow as many people as possible. Triller is, like I said, right now pushing out organic growth like crazy, trying to get people to start using it. TikTok hasn't really gotten to that point. Actually, it's past that point. Even right now, where you would try to run some ads on TikTok, your ad dollars wouldn't take you as far, but they do give you a specific market. So in comparison to platforms like Facebook or Instagram, your ad dollars are definitely more well spent based on your audience on Facebook. But if you are looking for Gen Z, then TikTok and Triller are the perfect places to do it. Now, Triller, I'm not sure if it has advertising system as of yet, but once again, just by you going out and following a bunch of different people, typically people that already follow celebrities that are similar to you, those will be able to pump up the number of followers that you get. And it'll also send people down the rabbit hole, which is your page. Now, the key also, at the same time, that'll get you to 1,000 followers is having content on your page that they can view, a ton of it. Make sure that you are producing content on the daily basis. Now, This is just one of the shows that I put out frequently, Chopping It Up with Focuz. You can catch it twice a week. I'm gonna be doing this to, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure on specific days, but when you see this day, I'll probably have a date in mind the following week from this video. All right, now for the moment you've all been waiting for, using Triller as a way to get more followers onto your Instagram page. Now, this is a super simple tool, but a lot of people don't know that you can do this on Triller. So once you started building your following over there, the key is to actually connect your Instagram to your Triller account. Now, I found that this is an amazing funnel, just given the organic growth on Triller. So it is actually one way for you to go ahead and turn it up a notch when it comes to your Instagram account in 2020. Because I know the Instagram has been giving people trouble when it comes to their algorithm changes. And so building your following over there is a little tougher. So using Triller in this way is actually one great way for you to build your following. So one more time, it's your boy J Focuz, man. This is another episode of Chopping It Up with Focuz. Make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe on this video, man. I need all of your support. Getting to my first 100 followers on YouTube is a very important task for me to get seen by the YouTube algorithms, and I'll explain that a little bit more if you want to go to my video on how to fight the YouTube algorithms. One more time, this is your boy J Focuz with another episode of Chopping It Up with Focuz. Like, comment, subscribe. Everything changed when a nigga get paid. Try to do better than if you my nigga then. If I win, it's to your benefit. Put my homies in position to win. But you know life is getting Cause in Michigan we get it in. See, I learned the hard way so you wouldn't have to. Third quarter projections was astral. Take a chance, I'll put you in the plans too. Can't carry your own weight, you canceled. I just gotta